Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. We are studying about that cell. In the previous classes, already we have studied about that. What is mean by cell structure, and the cell organelles. All we have studied in our previous video. Let us move toward the next topic, protoplasm and eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Let us start the video. See, student, in the previous classes we have studied about that all the cell organelles. We have seen the living and non-living part of the cell. Protoplasm means what, student? See, the structure of cell. Cell in plant cell have a plant cell wall. Animal cell, it not present the cell wall, means the cell membrane, nucleus, cell organelles, cytoplasms, all together it's called as the protoplasm. Means see, except cell wall, all part of the cell is called as the, means see, this is the plant cell, this outermost part is called as the cell wall, and inner part is called as the cell membrane. It contains the nucleus, then any cell organelles, cytoplasms, all part together the term has given protoplasm. Means cell wall is the non-living thing material which is present in the cell, and protoplasm means what? The living substance in an organism is called as the protoplasm. Is that clear, student? What is meant by protoplasm? Protoplasm means all living substance, all living matter is present in the cell is called as the protoplasm. Means cytoplasm, all cell organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, all the cell organelles and the nucleus together the term has given protoplasm. Understood, student? Protoplasm means what? Protoplasm, it is the living matter, the total substance of the living cell that is contains cytoplasm, nucleus and cell organelle is called as the protoplasm. It is the translucent fluid with colorless grayish and brown color. It contains the many chemicals. It contains many compositions, chemical compositions like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, iron, phosphorus, all in the same cell. Little bit difference, little bit variation in cell to cell. Got it, student? What is meant by protoplasm and what is meant by cell? In the first video I explained about that. Cell is the structural and functional unit of all living organism. Means all living organism is made from a cell and all work together, means all cellular activity, it is the, means every activity of the organism, it is the outcome of the cellular activity. Means see, we are walking, running, means every activity, it is the contraction of the muscle. Our growth is a cellular activity. If we are injured, they are repairing the injured part of the body, it is also cellular activity. The birds are flying, their movement of feather, it is also cellular. Means all living organisms, their all activity, it is the outcome of cellular activity. Understood, student? Means in plant, in bacteria, in all living things like human being, all the wild animal, pet animal, all the birds, their movement, their growth, their reproduction, their nutrition, feeding, circulation, respirations is all activity, it is outcome of the cellular activity. Means हम बेटा जो भी action करते, it is the outcome of our cellular activity. So it is called as the structural and functional unit of living thing. Means structural means our body is made from multiple trillion cells and these cells are together work, so we can work together, so it is also called as the functional unit. Understood, student? What is meant by protoplasm? Protoplasm means the living material Means except cell wall, all the part of the cell is called as the protoplasm. Understood? Let's do towards the prokaryotic and eukaryotic. See, you have seen so many organisms. Some are unicellular, some are multicellular. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic means early nucleus. See, one by one we will see. Prokaryotic means before nucleus. Pro means before. Pro means early, primitive, premature. And karyon means nucleus. The single cell organism, they have no well-defined nucleus. Means they have a lack of nuclear membrane. Their body is not well developed. This organism is called as the prokaryote. This cell is called as the prokaryotic cell. See, this is the example of bacteria. Cyanobacteria is also example of the prokaryotic nucleus. There is only cell wall, cell membrane, ribosomes and DNA. There is no nuclear membranes which is present outside of the DNA structure. These types of the cell is called as the prokaryotic cell. Understood? What is meant by prokaryotic? Prokaryotic means the organism is a single cell organism, not well defined nucleus. There is only the single DNA. Small ribosomes are present, cytoplasm is present. Got it? What is the prokaryotic? Prokaryotic means primitive nucleus, premature nucleus. Got it? And it is present in the single cell organism. And eukaryotic means what, student? Eu means true and karyotes means nucleus. Means well defined nucleus, complete nucleus is present in the organism is called as the eukaryotic organism. Like a multicellular organism. Means see the structure of cell, the cell membrane, many cell organelles are present in the cell. Ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, means all organelles are present in the cell. The DNA material is contained in the nucleus, the chromatin fiber. The nucleus covered the nuclear membrane, means the nucleus is complete. These organism is called as the eukaryotic. Understood, student? What is the difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic? Eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Prokaryotic means primitive nucleus. Eukaryotic means complete nucleus. It contains only a single DNA, circular DNA present. It is not covered the nuclear membrane. It contains only cytoplasm and small ribosomes. And eukaryotic nucleus means complete nucleus, true nucleus. The nuclear membrane is present. The cell membrane, plasma membrane is present. All organelles are present. The nucleus is covered by the nuclear membrane. The DNA is present in nucleus, and it is the several length of chromosomes is present in the eukaryotic. Let us see what is the difference and what is the same things in prokaryotic and eukaryotic. We have seen the proper structure of eukaryotic and prokaryotic. See, student, the both prokaryotic and eukaryotic contain the DNA. Okay, both contain the ribosomes, both have a cytoplasm, both have a plasma membrane. We have seen the structure of prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. These things are necessary to each and every cell. It is single cell, either it is a multicellular organism. Means all the cell is necessary to contain the DNA, ribosomes, cytoplasm and plasma membrane. The prokaryotic, the cell is very small and simple. In the eukaryotic, the cell is larger and more complex. Means many organelles is present in the eukaryotic cell. In the prokaryotic, lack of nucleus, lack of nuclear membrane. only the single DNA, single circular chromosomes is present, lack of cell organelles. Got it? And the eukaryotic, it contains the nucleus. Nucleus have a nuclear membrane. Nucleoplasms are present in the nucleus. Nucleolus is present in the nucleus, and the multilinear chromosomes, multiple chromatin fibers, DNA is present in the nucleus, and single, it also contain the many cell organelles, and this type of the cells are present in single cell organism also and multicellular organism also. Understood, student? In this video we have studied about that the protoplasm is the living substance which is present in the cell. We have seen the what is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, and we have seen some cellular activity. Okay, student, understood all the topic related to the cell? The lesson is completed. Thank you.